outlaw comrades. Welcome back to God of War. Oh my god, I love this game. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, what's that smell?
Now! The Hellwalkers? They're untouched. Look. Someone start the fires! Sigmund, your knives! So many days without meat.
Meat? Wait, us?
Behind me. What if they change like the others? We'll have to keep them alive. Strip off their meat. At a time.
This fight is mine alone.
Opening. He's just one man!
Help the boy!
Atreus!
He killed a man. Oh, he's not happy. Okay, son, dry it up. Let's go. Just playing, man.
Close your heart to it. Come then. We have a long journey. Wait here. I will handle this.
They came back.
It is finished.
I want to leave here.
Then collect yourself. We must find a way out. Here. Find something to pull me up.
Okay.
Boy. Come on now, boy. I'm gonna throw it at him.
Atreus. The chain.
Chain. Right.
You are in your head, boy. Let it go. He would have killed you.
I know, I had to do it. I do know that,
And we will go home, boy.
What?
To give up this easily. So close to the start.
Wait, no. I'm not giving up. I can do this. I just have to, catch my breath. Come on up. I'm ready.
Let's go.
Listen to me. To be effective in combat, a warrior must not feel for his enemy. The road ahead is long and unforgiving. No place for a boy. You must be a warrior.
I understand.
I got my breakfast, y'all. I got my breakfast. Oh, yeah. Thanks, Mama. I got my breakfast, y'all.
What you waiting for? Come on already! Let's go! Can't get this slow-eyed cockhump to cross the bridge.
Because she's scared of something in the trees over there.
There's what now?
Father, throw your axe at those trees on the other side of the bridge. The ones with the white trunks.
You were right.
Say, you must be smart or something, boy. You're a boy, aren't you? Ha!
Does she have a name?
I don't know. Rude bastard ain't never asked mine, so I ain't never asked hers. Ha!
What's yours?
Brok. Say, you're not gonna believe me, but that axe you got, it was me what made her. Me and my brother. Was one of our best. So don't let nobody else go work on her except for us two. You gotta handle her special, or she'll wreck beyond fixing. I can enhance her for you right now if it so pleases you, son of a bitch. So what say you?
You are right. I do not believe you. Come, boy.
There's a rune in the shape of a fork under the grip. No, digger be shot number. That was our brand, my brother and me, before we split. I got half of it right here, see? Look, you want I should upgrade her or not?
Very well. I expect an improvement.
Alrighty, let's go.
Where's the other half of the brand?
All my dumb brothers got it. But I got all the talent. Look! Let's sort you out.
Okay, this is just telling me how to, like, upgrade it. Okay, I understand.
What you need, kid? But your head don't shoot straighter than straight.
I upgraded his bow.
Got something else in mind?
Oh, we can get him armor. What about me? Oh, yeah! It's either defense or strength. I'm going for strength.
There's quality material. Rate you're going. Might last a day.
I just got new armor. Let's go.
Well, don't look now, but our friends who were hiding in the trees are back for more. Go on, give that axe a twirl.
Got one for me behind there?
Come on, you know, rain got me. See what my touch sprung?
Adequate.
You know what's adequate? That footwork. Say, your paw can kill. You gonna learn to do that too?
I'm not sure.
This road, it leads to the mountain.
Should put you in the right direction, sure. Want to see my wares again? Best of luck with all the rampage.
Come.
It was nice meeting you, Brok. I'll be thinking of a name for your vehicle.
How about a name for fucking gratitude? Hey, fucking gratitude, come over here. I like
Alrighty then.
Hey, watch your hinds in there. That place can bust you up real good.
Well, I think that's all I should do for this episode. We met Brok. Apparently he's a blacksmith. That's pretty cool. I wonder if we'll see him again, or we have to come way back here. Anyway, bye-bye, you bloody legends.